In front of me is Motorola Moto G50, and let me show you how to clear browsing data on this device. So first of all, just open the browser that you are using, tap on More icon and select History. Now tap on Clear Browsing Data, and here you've got Basic and Advanced options. So under Basic, you can mark browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files. And then if you switch to Advanced, you've got a few more, and you can also remove saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. So just mark those info that you would like to get rid of, and then select the time range. Click on Clear Data then, and that's it. As you can see, it has been done. So this is how you can clear browsing data. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.